Welcome to the ultimate guide to TokenPocket, your gateway to managing and trading digital assets seamlessly. TokenPocket is a feature-rich, multi-chain wallet designed to support various blockchains, enabling users to securely store, manage, and exchange cryptocurrencies. This wallet also provides easy access to decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, NFTs, and other Web3 features. In this video, you'll explore how to use TokenPocket step by step. Starting with its user-friendly interface, you'll see how easy it is to download and set up the wallet on your device. From there, you'll learn about importing or creating a new wallet and ensuring your private keys are backed up securely. TokenPocket supports popular blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Tron, allowing users to manage multiple assets in one place. Next, you'll discover how to perform transactions, including sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. With TokenPocket, you can monitor real-time balances and track your transaction history easily. The wallet also enables you to swap tokens directly, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. For those exploring the world of DeFi, you'll see how TokenPocket integrates with popular dApps, letting you stake tokens, earn yield, and interact with decentralized exchanges. If you're an NFT enthusiast, TokenPocket also supports NFT management, so you can view, send, and store your digital collectibles securely. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Make sure to download TokenPocket from the official site or app stores to ensure the security of your assets. This tutorial will empower you to make the most out of your crypto experience. Don't miss out on future content. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on the latest crypto tools and tips.